Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the O builder in Clash of Clans. This guide will help you unlock a crucial 6th builder for your home village, significantly boosting your upgrade speed. We'll cover the 4 main requirements you need to complete in your builder base and home village. By following these steps and tips, you can efficiently achieve this valuable addition to your game. Let's dive into the details and get you building faster. Your journey to O begins by rushing your builder hall to level 9. This is a critical first step to unlock the O hut. As you progress, prioritize upgrading your elixir collectors and storages to maximize resource generation. Also, invest in your army camps early to boost your offensive capabilities. Remember, winning more battles at higher trophy ranges will provide greater daily loot, accelerating your overall progress. To unlock O, you must complete 4 specific tasks. First, gear up your cannon, archer tower, and mortar in your home village. This often requires a town hall level 10. Second, upgrade your cannon cart to level 18. Third, bring your Mega Tesla to its maximum level, 9. Finally, upgrade your battle machine to level 30. These upgrades are time and resource intensive, so plan your efforts carefully. To make your journey smoother, employ smart strategies. Utilize magic items, especially books of building, on the longest gear-up tasks, like the multi-mortar, to save 14 days of builder time. Save your clock tower potions for the battle machine, particularly after level 15. Concentrate your elixir on upgrading cannon carts and the battle machine, as these are often the biggest resource sinks. Consistently collect your 3 daily loot bonuses for a steady flow of resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.